Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Afro Gardener. This is gonna be a kind of short video, but I just want to show y'all the before. A lot of people that get on and they kind of look at your garden, they just talk about, you know, how beautiful it might be, but nobody really sees how much work goes into actually having paid actors, actually having a garden, the amount of work that it actually takes. So this is not a garden tour, but this is a pre big garden, because March the weather starts getting really nice. The trickery is real, because we know, especially living in Tennessee, I know that the weather is not going to stay like this. Like, we've had nice 2 days in a row, but watch, next week it's gonna be cold. Plus it's been getting really cold at night. But I just kind of want to show you guys what my beds look like. So this is where my chickens have been kind of digging up. So basically, like, for example, this bed, I've been trying to let my chickens free range a little bit, just so they can kind of pick up bugs and different things that are in the soil. We personally have a problem with grubs. Now, the grubs are the larvae of the Japanese beetle. It's really big, it's really annoying, but I've been letting my chickens free range to kind of get rid of those things. And they've been tearing it up. Like, y'all look. They've been scratching and kind of doing all this, and I'm getting up bugs and things like that, which I'm hoping will improve the soil for planting. Now, it's not, there's like nothing going on. There's like nothing going on here. I have a couple of like echinacea things going on like that are starting to come up. I'll show you guys. Here in this area, this is echinacea that's starting to come up. And as you can see, they've just been digging and doing different things. But this is still good. Everything that was a perennial is still doing really well. I have this rock bed over here where I had a bunch of hyacinth that was coming up. It's still doing really well. I have this perennial here, and I can't even remember what it is right now. I can't even think of it, but that's coming up. Here's some other perennials that are coming up here. This is a coop. It's not a whole lot going on, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like now before we even get started. There's still a lot of work to be done. I have to pull all these weeds up, add some more compost to it, but I really just want to show you guys what it looks like before everything gets started. Also, I have an update for our winter sowing that we did in the last video. So here's one of the bottles that I used for my winter sowing, and I'm still winter sowing. Today is only March 4th. It's gonna start feeling like spring, but I don't even put anything outside. Like, I'm not putting anything outside. However, I will be starting some other plants just to make sure that I have all of the varieties that I want. This, you can see, is on the outside. This is some lettuce that I planted. And there's also, I think that's rocket lettuce. So all of the little labels I put on here, all washed away. All of it. And so I'm gonna have to play like a guessing game with everything except my onions. Now, I told y'all in my last video that I kind of struggle with onions, but y'all look at this, look at this. These are some onions that are starting to come up. Both bottles of onions that I started have actually started coming up, so I'm really excited about that. If I could focus, come on, focus. It was focused a second ago. Oh, there it goes. See? Now, I'm gonna be leaving these in here because I'm just not gonna bother them. Both sets of onions that I planted the other day have already started to come up. Both kinds of onions that I planted have already started to come up. And I couldn't even get that much on, like, when I started them in seed trays. Like, I hadn't even gotten to that point. But maybe like a few of them the last time that I planted onions last year. So we're already off to a really great start. I'm already really excited. And so yeah, that's basically what's going on. I did have my husband pick up some potty mix. This is just some potty mix from the Dollar General, and I'm gonna be using it to fill up some more of these juice bottles that I have. I will be starting my peppers this week. Thing is, you want to start peppers early because it does take them a while to kind of get started, but I'm not gonna go into that. That's for another video. And so yeah, I just kind of want to give you guys a glimpse. I'm really trying to make my videos and not just disappear for months on end. But I wanted to make this one for you guys just to kind of give you guys an update and kind of do this scarring thing with you guys. But I love y'all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.